This 2022 Forest River Rockwood MINILITE 2509S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, TV, oven, LP detector, Slideout, external shower, awning, stove top burner, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Rockwood MINILITE 2509S is 5,440 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.